Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. We are really happy you're here today.
Yes, welcome. Today, we are going to talk about something very powerful for learning English.
That's right. It's called shadowing.
Maybe you've heard this word before. Maybe it's new for you. Don't worry. We will explain it in a simple way.
So, Emma, what is shadowing?
Shadowing means listening to English and at the same time repeating the words, almost like an echo.
Ah, like a shadow follows your body. Your voice follows the English you hear.
Exactly. That's why it's called shadowing.
It helps you with pronunciation, rhythm, and speaking confidence.
Yes, and you don't need a teacher to do it. You just need your ears, your mouth, and some English audio.
Let's show an example.
Okay, I will say a sentence. Listeners, repeat after me right away. Ready? Hello, how are you today?
Now you say it.
Good. One more time, but a little faster. Hello, how are you today?
Excellent. That is shadowing.
Let's try a short conversation. I will speak and you repeat with me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What about you?
I'm good too. Nice job. That was a mini dialogue.
Listeners, when you shadow, try to copy not only the words, but also the music of the voice.
Yes, the intonation. For example, listen. Do you like pizza?
Now, copy the melody.
Yes, I like pizza.
Great! You are practicing real English sounds.
Let's give another practice. This time, daily routine sentences.
Good idea. Listeners, repeat after me. Shadow my voice. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
Excellent. These simple sentences are very powerful for fluency.
Here's a tip. At first, shadow slowly. Then, shadow faster.
Yes, let's try with a sentence. I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
Can you do it? Try 3 times. Slow, faster, fast.
This is like training your mouth muscles.
Shadowing also helps you to think in English.
Right. Because when you copy quickly, you don't have time to translate into your language.
Exactly. And that is the goal, to speak without translating. Let's do a fun conversation that listeners can shadow.
Okay, let's pretend we're in a cafe. Hello, can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Sure. Do you want milk and sugar?
Just milk, please.
All right. That will be $2.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Great. This is a real-life conversation you can shadow many times.
Another good practice, shadow questions and answers.
Let's try. What's your name?
My name is Ben.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How long have you been studying English?
For 2 years.
Fantastic.
Vocabulary time. Let's teach some useful words from today. Shadow. The dark shape behind you when the sun shines. Shadowing. Listening and repeating English at the same time. Intonation. The rise and fall of the voice. Fluency. Speaking smoothly and easily.
These are key words. Listeners, repeat with us. Shadow, shadowing, intonation, fluency. Before we finish, let's give a daily challenge.
Yes, today's challenge. Choose one English video or audio, maybe a song, a short podcast, or even this episode.
Listen and shadow for 10 minutes. Copy the words, the sounds, the intonation.
Do this every day, and in a few weeks, your speaking will become faster and more natural.
All right, I think it's time to say goodbye.
Yes. Friends, thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoy learning about shadowing and practicing with us.
Remember, practice a little every day, and you will get better and better.
Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us.
That helps us make more English podcasts for you.
Thank you again, and see you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.